Okay, here's a quick video of my Bridgestone GTR 350 that I just finished. Well, mostly finished. I'm missing the badge for that side cover. But other than that, the paint's not stock, and then the expansion chambers are not stock, and the tires. But otherwise, everything on it is as best as I could put it back to stock. Because I didn't know what year it was, I decided to do my own paint color, and then if somebody down the road decides that they wanted it a certain color, they could change it easily. It's my own custom gray. See, it has a new speedometer, so starting off with basically everything new. The cylinders and engine, everything was either new old stock or rebuilt or replaced. Pretty neat bike though. It's basically like a Banshee made by Bridgestone Tire Company before their investors told them to stop building motorcycles, apparently. So I haven't fully tuned it yet, but should be able to start it here in my sandals. Obviously, I've just got the covers and air filter off, so I can tune it here. But oh, the other thing that's not stock is I did a newer diode rectifier, rectum fire. But yeah, pretty neat bike. It's got quite a bit of power for 1967 through 71, I believe. Anyway, there she is.